Referee. Lane number 1, Randy Chen. Lane 2, Daniel Krenza. Lane 3, Jack German. Lane 4, Chris Tucker. Lane 5, Ben Mays. Lane 6, Ryan McRae. Lane 7, Colin Hausman. Lane 8, Michael Ashmead. And lane 9, Ryan O'Neill. Lane 10, Joe Shepley. Splash and Dash C final, men's 53. Little outside smoke up top there. And it'll be, yes it is, Randy Chen from Greensboro, North Carolina, 24-34. Nice swim right there. Next up, this is your consolation final.